Hi, my name is Chris, and this is my unboxing and first use video and review of the Beast Mixer Bucket Liner. This product is made by hand in California by a guy, and it's fully silicone. And it comes with a free t-shirt and some stickers. Anyways, let's get to the first use. So the first thing that impressed me was that it fit in the bucket perfectly. It just slipped right in. The second thing that impressed me is that the bucket doesn't spin. I don't know what it does. Maybe it adds just a little bit more weight, but the bucket does not spin when you go to mix now, which is great. You do have to be cautious of your mixing blade to make sure it's not sharp, because it will cut it and there's no warranty on that. I run my mixing paddle through a bucket of watery rocks to clean it. Okay, so now we're at the end of the day and you have to clean it off. This is where it becomes a great product, because you do the same thing for your regular bucket unless you're just going to throw it out, and that's wasteful in my opinion. So what you do is you scrape all the mud down to the bottom. Anything left over, just run your knife around. Really give it a thorough cleaning. Here we go, the next day. It's nice and dry. I've pulled it out of the bucket. Let's see how it works. So I gotta say, for the first removal, it was a pain in the butt. It took a bit of wiggling and wrestling, but it still did come out. I've used it 3 times now, and it's much easier to take out that bottom piece now than it was the first time. So don't let this deter you from buying it. And there we go. That was about 40 seconds of wrestling with it. Then what you do is you just kind of give it a roll, get all those chips out, and you're good to go. Not only did you save a bucket from the landfill, you also saved the time hammering it. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely. It is worth every penny. I happily use this and recommend this product. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please check out my other videos and like and subscribe. Have a great day.